Good morning. Here's what's on our minds at Precedent this week. Markets continue to react quickly to developments around the conflict with Iran. Through Friday's close, the S&P 500 was in a 6.7% drawdown, and Asian markets sold off overnight as investors responded to escalating tensions in the region. However, sentiment shifted sharply this morning after the president announced productive conversations with Iran and a potential pause in military action. U.S. futures moved higher almost immediately, which is a good reminder of how sensitive the markets are right now to geopolitical events. Gold is another good example of volatility this year after a remarkable 106% run in 2025. And through January 28th of this year, gold has dropped 17% through this past Friday, largely on fears of return of inflation and higher interest rates, which dampens the outlook for non-yielding assets. Stepping back from the day-to-day headlines, the bigger picture is that markets have always had to navigate geopolitical events in periods of uncertainty like this. The U.S. economy continues to show resilience overall, and episodes of volatility are a normal part of long-term investing. What happens next around the world is hard to predict, but we have a long history of market climbing a wall of worry in the long term. As always, this update is simply meant to provide context around what we're watching in the markets and the economy. It shouldn't be taken as actionable investment advice or recommendations. Have a great week.